Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. Today we are going to be making this 2-in-1 hair growth spray and hair growth mask using fenugreek and rice. Now to make this recipe, we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and 1/4 cup of rice. Rice is rich in amino acids that support hair regeneration and promote hair growth. Rice also contains vitamin C, B, and E that equally encourage healthy hair growth. Boiling or soaking rice in water produces inositol, and inositol is what penetrates our hair cuticles to repair and strengthen it from the inside. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Wash both the rice and the fenugreek seeds properly and add to a glass jar. I prefer glass jar, but if you don't have glass jar, you can just add it to whatever container you are using. Now pour in 2 cups of water. And into that, I'm going to be adding orange peels because, guys, fermented rice and fenugreek does not smell nice. So these orange peels will help to give it a nice smell. Orange peel is also very rich in vitamin C. And you guys know vitamin C is very vital for collagen production, which is very important for healthy, stronger hair. Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. Now cover the jar. We are going to let this sit overnight. This is the next day, guys. You can see everything is swollen. Now remove the orange peels. Guys, because of this orange peel, this product smells so nice, especially this spray. It has this very sweet citrusy smell to it. After removing the orange peel, give it a little stir, to mix everything in properly because of this spray, so that everything will properly get into that spray. Now pour out some of the water. That's what we are going to use as a spray. Don't pour everything out, just some, because we still need some of the water in the mask. Now I'm going to pour that into a spray bottle. That's what we are going to use as a hairspray. You can use this as a washout spray. You can use it as a leave-in spray. It's okay. So I'm going in to add some orange peels into that. It already smells nice. It already has this, citrusy orangey smell to it as well. But I just decided to add more sweet orange essential oil as well to intensify the smell. So now for the mask, I'm going to pour the remaining product into a blender. I also added some green tea into the blender. Green tea is very good for hair as well. It's rich in caffeine that helps to strengthen hair and reduce hair shedding. Blend until smooth and creamy. Once we are satisfied, we are going to go ahead to filter that out to get a very smooth rice and fenugreek mask. Fenugreek contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient that deeply conditions and moisturizes our hair and scalp. It also strengthens the hair from the roots by providing rich nourishment, and as a result controls hair shedding. Fenugreek contains natural saponins that have rich antifungal and antibacterial properties that treat scalp infections and helps in combating dandruff and itching. Now into the mask, I will add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. I also added 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This is my DIY aloe vera gel. Homemade gels tend to change color, so if you make DIY aloe vera gel and it changes to pink, don't be bothered about it. It is still very much good. I also added 1 tablespoon of rosemary oil. Guys, this rice and fenugreek mask is so good. It is so rich and it has lots and lots of sleep for detangling. This is a very wonderful deep conditioner. It will have your hair so soft, shiny, manageable. It's also a very wonderful detangler because it has lots of sleep. You guys know rice already has some sleep. Fenugreek has mega sleep, and with the aloe vera gel I added to it with the oils, guys, just forget it. You can just easily detangle your hair. This mask is so penetrating. It will penetrate into the deepest layers of your hair to repair your hair from the inside, enrich your hair follicles, supply lots and lots of nourishment to your hair follicles, stimulate blood circulation. This is a powerful hair mask. Now I'm going to be using it on Ivy's hair. I'm going to first spray her hair with the Rice and Fenugreek spray. Guys, I use this spray like this. I also use it to refresh her hair, you know, where I won't have to wash it out. So it's, you know, multi-purpose hairspray. You can use it as a leave-in spray. You can use it as a washout spray. So I just use it to, you know, add some moisture into her hair before going in with the fenugreek and rice masks.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
So I just applied the fenugreek and rice mask generously on her hair, coat every single strand of her hair. I also make sure to specially coat her ends, and then I also massage her scalp with this mask, guys. Rice and fenugreek both have cleansing properties. They have saponins that, you know, help to cleanse the scalp, detoxify the scalp, gather all kinds of toxins and dirt from the hair and scalp without stripping the hair. As you guys can see right here, I could easily finger detangle her hair. It was a breeze. So after working on each section of hair, I just twist it up, you know, tuck it in and move on to the next one. So I did the same thing on each section of hair. Spray her hair with the rice and fenugreek spray first to, you know, add some moisture into her hair, loosen her hair strands up a little bit, and then I'll go in to saturate her hair with the rice and fenugreek mask.
Light up in the sky, I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town.
Guys, I wish you guys can just touch her hair to see what this mask feels like on her hair. Her hair was so soft, so moisturized, and after I washed this mask out, guys, her hair was still very soft, shiny and healthy. So I went ahead to detangle her hair with the mask and then twist that section of hair up. So I did the same thing all over her hair, and this is what her hair looks like once I'm done. So I'm going ahead now to cover her hair with a plastic bag, and from here Ivy takes over. You guys can listen to her.
Bye! Bye!